Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk to you about a concept that I believe can change your life, and this concept is survival. Yes, you heard that right. Survival equals success. Now, before you start thinking I have lost my mind, let me explain to you what I mean. You see, success is not all about achieving something great. It's about surviving through everything to get to where you want to go. It is also about showing up every day, putting in the work, and pressing through the tough situations or the tough times. It's about surviving the struggles, the setbacks, and the failures. You see, every great successful story started with survival. Do you know that? J.K. Rowling was a single mom who lived on welfare when she started writing Harry Potter. And did you know also that Stephen King's first novel was rejected 30 times? Do you also know that Thomas Edison also failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb? Yes, all these people did not just get success, but they survived through the journey to get there. They survived the doubts, they survived the failures, they survived the uncertainty, and even survived the times when it seems like giving up is the only option, or giving up is the easiest option. And that is what I want to leave to you today. Don't be discouraged when situations or things get tough. Don't be worried at all, because you know what? Survival is something that will get you there. So survive through it. Get to do something to help you to survive through every situation and to get to the point where you want to go to. Because you know, every great successful story started with someone who refused to give up. Someone who refused to give up the setbacks, to refuse to give up the failures, but fight through to be successful. That is a great person. And know that surviving is what will get you on that your destiny through where you want to go to. I want to challenge you today to bring your mindset around success. I want you to start seeing survival as a testament to your strength and your resilience, because you know what? Survival is what you get, is going to get you to the point where you want to go. Survival is what is going to make you successful. Yes, when you survive through, you are going to be successful, and it will encourage other people to work or to walk on your path to also get there. Because you know what? Every great successful story started with survival. And I want you to go out there to survive through the setbacks. I want you to go out there and survive through the failures and the struggles. Yes, because you know what? The other side of survival is success. And I promise you, it's worth it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my videos, and don't forget to share them, like them, and you can also leave your comments as well, because I will always be here for you. Thank you for watching.